hey, I just wanted to give you some instructions on how to use the Future Balance Calculator tab. So for this tab, the majority of the information is actually being pulled in from the credit card summary tab. So you don't need to re-enter a lot of that information, which I think is awesome because it saves you a lot of time. But the first step you need to do is click into the month and make sure that it matches the credit card summary. So I know we're in February, so let's click February, just so you don't get confused. The only information you would have to input here is actually down in the card details for the additional payment. So the purpose of this column is for you to look at your budget and see if there's any money that you can allocate on top of the minimum payment towards these cards to help you get them paid off quicker, because that's the goal here. So for the example, I have an additional $5 listed. So let's look at credit card 2. So right now it's at 0. So it's saying you have 12 and a half months until the card is paid off, and the payoff date is February 14th of 2025. But let's say we add in and we can afford an additional $15 on top of that 40, which is our minimum payment. The 12 and a half goes down to 9.1. So we saved 3.4 months just by adding in that $15, and our new payoff date is November 14th, 2024. So you have this for all cards, so you can get creative and see by adding in a little bit of money on top of your cards how many months you can save so you can be financially free and debt free. So I think this is a great area for you to look into your budget, see how much extra money you have, and throw some of that money on top of these minimum payments to help you get your card paid off quicker. And then back up into the summary, you can also see that this is all pulled in from the credit card summary tab except the total additional payment. So it allows you to get creative and see how much you would need in your budget in order to save these months and get your credit cards paid off quicker. I hope this helps, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.